and welcome to a new video of human made garden plants. Today I'm going to repot my rosemary because I got this one from the store and it's a little bit big for this little pot, so I'm giving it a bigger one. This one I'm going to put it in. As you can see, the size difference is pretty big. And this one is going in there. First you need to get some regular soil, put it in the bottom. Now we're gonna see if it fits. I always do it like this with the container on it, so you don't have to pull it out yet. Now I'm gonna get it out of here and push gently on the container to get it out and loose. And as you can see, it is pretty root bound, so it needs a bigger pot. Put it in the middle, and I'm going to get the soil all around so that it stays nice in the middle, because otherwise you have the chance, if you do one side at a time, that it will go to one side of the pot, so you don't have a nice in the middle plant. And as you can see, I'm going every time around, and I'm pushing the soil down with my hand, so it is all the same soil all around it. And the last potting soil, I guess. Just tap the container so the soil goes down, and that you can see if you have missed a spot. And of course you need to water it right away. Give it a good water. And then I'm thanking you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.